Imagine this, 1 month from now, an extra $1,000 in your pocket, all from working online. Sounds unreal, right? But let me tell you, it's not just a dream. It's 100% possible. And I'm about to show you 5 game-changing ways to make $1,000 online in just 30 days. No gimmicks, no scams, just real, proven methods that actually work. You ready for this? Let's dive right in. First up, freelancing. If you're looking for the fastest-ass way to start earning online, this is it. Whether you can write, design, edit videos, or even do customer service, trust me, there's someone out there right now who needs your skills and is willing to pay. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are overflowing with clients looking for freelancers. Even if you're a total beginner, don't worry. You can start small, get some reviews, and build up your profile. The trick? Start with a low price. Deliver amazing work, and you'll see clients coming back for more. You can easily pull in $300 or more in your first month. I've seen it happen over and over again. Next is affiliate marketing. Imagine getting paid every time someone buys a product you recommend. You don't need any inventory, no customer service. Just share your special links and start earning commissions. It's that simple. Programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank make it easy to promote products you love. Just find your favorite, create your unique link, share it on social media or with your blog readers, and when someone buys, boom, you get a cut. It's an easy $200 in no time just for recommending something you already believe in. Want to make money while you sleep? Selling digital products is the ultimate passive income stream. You create something once and then sell it over and over again. Whether it's an art ebook, our simple course, or even a set of design templates, this is a huge opportunity. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy let you sell directly to your audience. And the best part? You're not exchanging your time for money anymore. Once your product is out there, it works for you 24/7. In just 1 month, this can easily add up to $250 or more without you having to lift a finger. Now let's talk about print on demand. This is a game changer because you don't need to spend money on inventory or worry about shipping logistics. Platforms like Redbubble and Teespring let you upload your designs, and they handle everything from printing to shipping. You just sit back and collect your profit. You can easily make an extra $150 or more each month just by creating cool, trendy designs. Here's a tip. Focus on pop culture, memes, or niche trends. People love unique, fun designs, and they sell fast. And finally, for those who just want to earn extra cash without too much effort, surveys and microtasks are perfect. No, you won't get rich, but these small tasks can really add up. Platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars pay you to answer surveys, watch videos, and even play games. It's easy money. Spend a few minutes a day and you could be pocketing $100 or more in just a month. Simple, right? All right, so there you have it. 5 legit ways to earn $1,000 online in just 30 days. Whether it's freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, print on demand, or taking surveys, these methods work. Mix and match them, and you'll be on track to hitting that $1,000 goal in no time. If this video got you fired up, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Together, we're making that extra $1,000 happen. Let's crush it this month. See you in the next video.